Hi everybody, this is Arash and we are solving HackerRank Python preparation challenges. The next challenge is called DefaultDict tutorial. It is categorized as easy. Alright, DefaultDict is a feature from Python collections module. It is very similar to normal dict with a difference which is it has a default value. So for example, if you call an undefined key, you won't get an error. Instead, you will get the default value. For example, in this example, a default value is a list. Alright, let's run the code. It has told us that we should get n and m from the input. So n and m are equal to map of integer from input dot split, and before them I should write down from collections import default dict. Alright, we got n and m from the input stream. After that we should get, for example, 5 inputs when n is 5. So I write down for I, or yes, for I in range n, every time x will be equal to our input. After that we should create a default dict. For example, it's something like d is equal to default dict by the value of a list. So an empty list will be its default value. X is equal to input every time d dot append our x, or maybe d dot append, let's edit here, d of x dot append I plus 1. So for example, if an a is taken in the first line, we add 1 to d of x. Second line, we add 2. Third line, nothing. Fourth line, we add 4 to d of a. Alright, every time we append a number to our dict. After that I create a list of outputs, maybe, or maybe not. Let's write down for I in range of m, every time again x will be equal to input, and we should print the occurrences of our x in the previous input. So I write down, for example, print d of x. Let's check our code up to this moment. Alright, we got 5, 2, and these inputs we printed 1, 2, 4 and 3, 5. Our numbers are correct. We only need to modify them to make them space separated. So I modify it and make it something like space dot join d of x, and let's run the code now. It is telling that it needs str and our items are integers. So let's convert it to strings. I write down map to str from d of x. Let's run the code again, and this time is correct. Alright, we need to add one more thing, which is -1 for items that don't exist. I write down, for example, if len of the x is greater than 0, do this, otherwise else print a simple -1. Or another way of doing this is I can write down, for example, if boolean of dx, this checks whether it is empty or not. Alright, let's submit the code, and all the test cases are correct. Alright guys, this was Arash. Thank you for watching my video. See you next time.